must be thinking that I'm talking about an overpriced AI phone or a phone that confuses you with the pricing. No, this video is not about those phones. In fact, this video is about a phone that is mysteriously weird. I'm talking about the OnePlus N M20 SE. The Flipkart page of this phone looks quite official and there are more than 900 ratings with an average of 4.1 for this phone. I came to know about this phone from this tweet and obviously I had a ton of questions. Is it actually an official OnePlus phone or just a ripoff? If it's an official OnePlus phone that never really launched in India, how is it even getting sold on reputed platforms like Flipkart and Amazon? And the biggest question, will this phone even get official OnePlus warranty in India? And lastly, how the hell is this rated 4.1 with such mediocre specs? There was only one way to know. Within just 24 hours of ordering, the phone got delivered to us. Almost. किसका phone? Wow. हेलो हाँ भैया आ जाओ सेकंड फ्लोर पे आ जाओ. अरे यार इतनी दूर आए हो, अब सेकंड फ्लोर पे आके कर दो डिलीवर. लिफ्ट है, आ जाओ. The box was in a pretty good shape, it looked quite official, but I noticed something very interesting. The box says made in China, but there was another sticker on the box that said made by OnePlus Canada Corporation in India. A phone with two countries of origin? Interesting, right? I went ahead and opened the box and inside I found a few more interesting things. Everything was brand new, but there were no OnePlus red cable stickers in the box that they usually bundle with all OnePlus phones in India. Plus, the charger is of European standard. I also turned on the phone, checked it with the IMEI number, and it's in fact a legit official OnePlus phone that is being imported and sold in India. But what I don't understand is why. I mean, the specs of this phone sounds like a history lesson. Helio G35 processor, 720p LCD display and eMMC storage. At this price, these specs don't make any sense, but still a lot of people are buying it. And if I was one of those people and ran into some issue with the phone, maybe with the battery, with the screen or the back, will I get official warranty from OnePlus? Again, there was only one way to know. So I went to the OnePlus exclusive service center in Noida and told them that I had some issue with the battery of this phone. But what they said was shocking. They accepted that it's a OnePlus phone, but since it didn't officially launch in India, I won't get any service at all, be it for the spare parts or even for the software. They also confirmed that Flipkart is not their official selling partner. So if there's any problem with the phone, I should contact Flipkart only. And when I took this matter to Flipkart, they simply asked me to take it to the nearest OnePlus service center. So yeah, it's a close loop. Neither Flipkart or OnePlus is taking any responsibility at all. If anything happens to this phone, I am pretty much on my own. See, this is a very serious problem. A lot of people are buying this phone because of the OnePlus brand name. They see a good OnePlus phone with good ratings on a platform like Flipkart and they think it's legit. But what they probably don't know is that the ratings are all fake. And this is some third-party seller trying to take advantage of the loopholes. I'm just shocked that this has been going on for the past 2 years and brands are least bothered about it. Seems like OnePlus just doesn't care at all, and brands like Amazon and Flipkart have no idea what is being sold on their platform, and also they don't want to take any responsibility at all. I really hope that after watching this video, brands take strict actions against all such activities so that people don't get scammed and cheated like this. In case you've also faced something similar, do share your own experiences in the comments so that everyone can know and can be stopped. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.